guys, welcome to the channel. Before going to the news, let's start with the motivational quotes. Till motivation for today. If you are aiming to be more productive in life, you need to set a goal that excites you and motivates you. Only you can change your life. Drugs like hydrochloroquine had little or no effect on COVID-19 patients. WHO has said that interim results of Solidarity trial indicate the remdesivir, hydrochloroquine, lopinavir and interferon regimens appear to have little or no effect on 28-day mortality or in the hospital course of COVID-19 among hospitalized patients. The progress achieved by Solidarity trial shows the large international trials are possible even during a pandemic, WHO added. India's active COVID-19 cases below 8 lakh for first time in 6 weeks. India's active COVID-19 infections fell below the 8 lakh mark for the first time in over 6 weeks on Saturday, which the Health Ministry called a significant milestone. The active cases fell by 9,441 in the last 24 hours, according to the 7,95,087. The active case load was below the 8 lakh mark last on September 1. India's COVID-19 recoveries crossed 65 lakh. The number of COVID-19 cases in India has reached 74,32,680 as 62,212 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. The COVID-19 death toll in the country has risen to 1,12,998, while 65,24,595 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 7,95,087 cases are currently active. ESP offers a customized family business program, postgraduate program in management for family business. Indian School of Business is offering a customized family business program, PGP MFAP, which is postgraduate program in management for family business. It aims to give you exposure to world-class faculty and a rich, diversified peer group to network, giving you a macro perspective of family businesses best practices. Reinvent and regenerate your family business by developing the relevant skill set to take your business to the next level, ISB said. Next 2.5 months very crucial in our fight against COVID-19. The next 2.5 months are going to be very crucial in our fights against COVID-19 because of winter season and festivals, Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan said. Wearing mask, face covering, especially in public spaces, and following hand and the respiratory etiquettes are the cardinal principles of social vaccine. He added, 3 vaccine candidates are developing well in India, Harsh Vardhan said. 74-year-old who was rescued alive after being kept in freezer box for 20 hours dies. A 74-year-old Tamil Nadu man who was rescued alive after being placed in a freezer box for nearly 20 hours at his residence has now been pronounced dead. The dean of the medical college said that the patient's condition had deteriorated on Thursday, following which he was put on mechanical ventilator but failed to respond to it. Bumrah, one of the best fast bowlers in the world. MI's bowling coach Shan Bond said he is not surprised that Jasprit Bumrah is one of the best fast bowlers in the world, since he is always working to improve his bowling. The thing I like about Jasprit is his willingness to want to improve, Bond said. Calling Bumrah self-motivated, Bond said he always loved working with Bumrah. Google says its mitigated largest known DDoS attack in 2017. Google has revealed a previously undisclosed DDoS attack on his infrastructure that occurred in 2017. It said the attack, which closed to 2.5 Tbps, is the largest DDoS attack known till date and was mitigated. The Google Threat Analysis Group researchers revealed the attack came from China and originated from within the network of 4 Chinese internet service providers. 2020 results declared. Shoaib Aftab tops after scoring 720 out of 720. The National Testing Agency has declared the NEET 2020 results, in which Shoaib Aftab of Odisha has bagged Air 1 after scoring 720 out of 720. Akansha Singh of Delhi is the topper among girls after she bagged Air 2 and also scored 720 out of 720. This year, over 14 lakh candidates appear for the medical entrance exam. Develop COVID-19 vaccine delivery system on lines of conducting polls. PM Narendra Modi on Saturday reviewed India's preparedness of COVID-19 vaccine delivery, distribution and administration and called for speedy access to vaccines for citizens once ready, the PM's office said. The PM Modi suggested that the vaccine delivery system should be developed on the lines of the successful conduct of elections and disaster management in India, the PMO office said. Creator of Fortnite, Tim Sweeney bought 193 acres of forest to stop deforestation and also donated $15 million to protect 7,000 acres of forest. Australia Veterinary Clinic rescues and found a rare golden possum. People say they just caught a Pikachu. Plank helps strengthen your core, arms, legs, tones your butt, build abs and improve your mental focus. Charles Darwin ate every animal he discovered. Fog is the market leader in deodorant category in India with annual sales exceeding 600 crore rupees. The brand is available in 36 variants and is sold in 65 countries.